Hi, my name is Paulina Maria Braganza Parungao, second year BA Psychology. I'm running for Psychology Department Representative of Buklod CSS.
Alright, good evening, Ms. Parungao. Your first question is, do you see any changes in the UP demographics due to the TOEFL? What can you say about this?
I have talked with older batches, especially those, since we are the first ones who, di ba, kami nga yung first ones na nagka 1,000 pesos per unit. Tapos noon, the batch before was 300 pesos per unit. And I talked with some of them. And then some of them told me na parang yung AS parking, naalala nyo lang AS parking last year, in our batch na walang tao, ay, walang cars, tapos bigla na lang nung dumating kami, parang lahat, ang daming ng cars. Napapansin mo talaga na, talagang na, dumadami na yung mga, dumadami na yung mga mayayaman, yung mga nakaka-afford ng mga, magdala ng mga kotse, mga ganyan.
Okay, your next question. Is the Israeli invasion of Gaza Strip justifiable for you?
Israeli invasion of the Gaza Strip. Okay. So, to put into context, I think the Gaza Strip was before part of Palestine for World War II, and then the Jews wanted their own land, so they got Gaza for it, and then Israel is trying to get Gaza because they're saying that it is their holy land. So in that context,
is it justifiable?
Well, in biblical records, I guess that it is justifiable. But then let me just remind that the Jews of the Gaza Strip have been marginalized and oppressed. And here in Buklod CSSP, we are one of our 4 pillars, the social progress, social justice. We are here to protect the marginalized and the oppressed and the powerless. So for me, the Israel is invading the Gaza Strip, the land left na lang para sa mga Jews na nandun, parang medyo off.
Alright, your last question. Naiyak ka ba sa bagong commercial ng McDo? Kaps, ano bang naalala mo dito?
Bagong commercial?
Yung huling LB.
For me, it was too pilit. Like, kasi okay, mali yung El Bimbo, tapos nun, it's like, di ba nangyari kasi doon yung girl, tapos magkasama sila, siglang, maasawa at anak na siya, parang hello, how long ba hindi kayo nakita? I mean, hello. Anyway, so, masyado siyang pilit, tsaka too cheesy for me.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Paulina.
Okay, thank you.
Dominic Rebel Ramirez, second year BA Psych, Psychology Department Representative under Buklod CSSP.
Alright, good evening, Mr. Ramirez. Your first question. Do you see any change or any changes in the UP demographics due to the tuition fee increase? And what can you say about this?
Yes, I see a change in the demographic of the UP students due to the tuition increase. I think most of the people who come to UP are from the upper classes, and those come from private schools. And what I can say to that is, I think there's it's unjust in the sense that a lot of students who pass the UPCAT weren't able to go to UP because they don't have the means to do so. For example, I read some accounts on the Collegian and other reports from my friends and people who know, like from my teachers, and they say that there have been students, they actually passed the UPCAT, but they opted not to stay in the university because of the tuition and fee increase. They cannot pay it.
Alright, your second question. Is the Israeli invasion of the Gaza Strip justifiable for you?
Thank you for that question. I'm not really well versed on this issue, but from what I know, I think it's not justifiable. First of all, I think it should have gone to a process wherein there have been talks as to how the domain is apportioned, and that's basically all I can say on that issue.
Alright, your last question. Naiyak ka ba sa bagong commercial ng McDonald's? Anong naalala mo sa commercial na yun?
yung sa commercial na McDonald's, so super naaliw ako. Kasi parang yun, naalala ko nung grade school, parang yun, I had this first love. Ganyan. Tapos, nangyari lang, parang nag-iba kami nag-part kami ng ways, tapos, yung pala, babae pala yung gusto niya, tapos, yun, so simple siya.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Ramirez.